Okay. Here we are going to see the cost of production. First you see there are mainly 5 types of costs are there. We are going to discuss this in detail. The total fixed cost, TFC, total variable costs, TVC, total cost or TC. Here we are going to see what is total fixed cost. Total fixed cost is a cost that do not vary with the level of outputs. The level of fixed cost is at the same level of output even if there is no output or output is zero also. That is the fixed cost. The cost which do not change with the change in outputs. The formula is TFC is equal to TC minus TVC. Okay. Here the schedule for that cost schedule we can see. Quantity is here 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and TFC. It's not changing. Same 10 for all the levels of outputs. And here we can see the diagram for the FC or TFC. Cost is on the y-axis and quantity or output is on the x-axis. And here we can see, here's the point 10. The TFC will be a straight line parallel to the x-axis because there is no change in the TFC when the output changes. So this is a diagram for FC or TFC. Next we are going to see the TVC or total variable costs. The total variable costs are the costs that vary with the level of output. Example for variable cost or total variable cost is labor costs, raw material costs, and energy costs, etc. And variable costs are equal to zero when there is no output. That's the point we have to remember. If there is no output also, we have to pay the cost that is fixed cost. But in the case of variable costs, if no output, the variable cost also will be zero. And the formula for the variable cost is here the formula we can see TVC, total variable cost is equal to TC, total cost minus TFC. Total cost minus total variable cost is equal to TVC. Next we are going to see the diagram or schedule for this one. Here we can see the quantity TVC here, third line. Quantity 10, 20 axis increasing gradually. When the output is zero, total variable cost also zero. Output increases, variable cost also increase. Again 10, 30, 40 output is gradually increasing. This is total variable cost also increasing from 50, 80, 120, 190, 290. This level the variable cost also increasing. That means when the output increases, the variable cost also will increase. And when the quantity is zero, TVC also will be zero. Here the diagram for that one. Cost y-axis, quantity x-axis, and this is a variable cost curve. And here we can see the variable cost curve is starting from zero because at the zero output, zero variable cost. So variable cost will start from zero. This is a variable cost. Next we are going to see what is total cost. Total cost is total of all the costs paid for the production of goods and services. In other words, we can see TC is a sum of fixed cost, total fixed cost and total variable cost. If we add the total fixed cost and total variable cost, we will get the total cost. Here the formula for that one, we can see the formula for the TC is TC is equal to TFC plus TVC. You have to add the TFC, total fixed cost and total variable cost, then we will get the TC. And the diagram we can see, as usual, y-axis represents the cost, x-axis is the quantity demanded, quantity outputs, quantity of outputs, and here we can see all the three diagrams are in the same, three curves are on diagram, same diagram we can see here. This is FC and VC, we already discussed it. Here the TC diagram, this blue line. This TC diagram we can see, one thing you have to remember, the TC is not starting from zero. TVC is starting from zero, but the TC won't start from zero because if zero output also there will be a cost because this is an addition of both the fixed and variable cost. So at the zero output, the fixed cost will be there. As a result, total cost also will be there. So the total cost diagram curve will start from above 0. What is fixed cost? That will be the total cost. So this will start from above 0 point. Okay. Thank you.